If you've ever come across a YouTube video on how to become a YouTuber, there is a phrase that's common with most creators, and it's the fact that they tell you that your first video is gonna suck. And to be honest, they are right. They are so right, to the extent that I've been filming this video for 5 days now just to get a 2-minute take to introduce myself to you guys on YouTube. Hello YouTube, my name is Joshua Oluwaseyi. The last name is a bit hard for people to pronounce, so to save you the stress and the need to butcher it, we're gonna stick with Josh for most of my videos. I am a climate activist, a sustainability advocate, a student, a social entrepreneur, and sort of a YouTuber now. The reason why I created this YouTube channel is for, well, as a creative outlet for me to talk about 3 things majorly. The first would be tech. I am a huge techie. I love tech gadgets. I'm sure most people also do. I would be talking about tech in the sense of giving opinions and commentaries on certain tech events, on new product launches, or existing tech devices, that is. I would also be giving productivity tips on how to, well, be more productive using applications on your devices. During quarantine, I was very good at procrastinating. I did a lot of procrastinating, and some applications really helped me to stay on track and keep my mind focused. So I will be sharing those with you guys frequently. And lastly, I will be giving you sustainability tips at the end of every video that I publish, which is basically going to tell you how to be more sustainable by everyday simple actions that you could take. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and perhaps turn on the notification bell as well so you're notified of when next I post a video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome and peace.